Hello guys, today in this online class we are going to study about present continuous tense. So look at the board. Present continuous tense. We can say present progressive tense also. Clear? Present continuous tense and present progressive tense both are same. Now I am going to tell you identification of this tense. How can we identify this tense? So, identification. Clear? Identification. At the end of Hindi sentences, the words at the end of Hindi sentences, the words रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूँ, clear? Dear students, at the end of Hindi sentences, हिंदी वाक्यों के अंत में at the end of Hindi sentences the words रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूँ शब्द आते हैं. Clear? At the end of Hindi sentences the word रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूँ. Clear? Now formula. Subject plus helping verb plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Clear? Dear students, in my first lecture I have told you about subject, what is subject, what is helping verb, what is verb and what is object. But in this tense I am going to tell you about which helping verbs are used in this case. So right here is, am and are. These are the helping verbs which are used in this tense. Is, am and are. Clear? So look here and write down in your notebook. Is, am, are. Clear? These helping verbs are used in this tense. And helping verb, I have told you helping verb means sahayak kriya. We can say auxiliary verb. Clear? Helping verb, auxiliary verb, both are same, sahayak kriya. Clear? Now I, you, we, they and plural. Clear? He, she, it, name. Clear? You have to use I am. Am helping verb with I subject. I am, you are, we are, they are, and plural. If I talk Ram and Shyam, then Ram and Shyam. Clear? He is, she is, it is, name. Any name? If I talk about Ram, then Ram is. Clear? Write down in your notebook. Dear students, look here. In this tense, we will learn four types of sentence: affirmative, negative, interrogative, and interrogative negative. Clear? Look here. मैं विद्यालय जा रहा हूँ. मैं विद्यालय जा रहा हूँ. सब्जेक्ट और फॉर्मूला मैं विद्यालय जा रहा हूँ. मैं इज अवर सब्जेक्ट मैं. आई देन use helping verb. With I, you will have to use helping verb am. I am, then verb first form plus ing. I am going to school. Clear? I is our subject, am is our helping verb. We can say auxiliary verb. Going, verb first form plus ing to preposition, and now school is our object. Clear? I am going to school. मैं विद्यालय जा रहा हूँ. I am going to school. Clear? Now मैं विद्यालय नहीं जा रहा हूँ. मैं विद्यालय नहीं जा रहा हूँ. Negative sentence: I am not going to. I am not going to school. मैं विद्यालय नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I am not going to school. This is negative sentence. I am not going to school. Clear? क्या मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ? Am. Okay? You have to use helping verb before subject. Am I going to school? क्या मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ? क्या मैं स्कूल नहीं जा रहा हूँ? Am I not going to? Clear? Now next sentence is वहाँ कुर्सी बना रहा है. इस कुर्सी बनाने का काम कर रहा है. वह, ही इज योर सब्जेक्ट, ही. देन यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब विथ ही. यू विल हैव टू यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज. Very good. He is making chair. Clear? Because chair is our singular noun, so he is making chair. He is making chair now. Subject, helping verb, verb and object. Clear? He is making chair. वह कुर्सी नहीं बना रहा है. He is not making chair. He is not making chair. Clear? क्या वह कुर्सी बना रहा है? Is he making chair? Is he making chair? And interrogative negative: is he not making chair? Clear? He is making chair. He is not making chair. Is he making chair? Is he not making chair? Clear? Dear students, दिव्या भोजन पका रही है. ओके, दिव्या भोजन पका रही. नाउ दिव्या is cooking food. Divya is cooking food. Negative sentence: Divya is cooking food. Divya is not cooking food. Clear? Divya is not cooking food. Negative sentence. क्या दिव्या खाना बना रही है? Is Divya cooking food? क्या दिव्या खाना बना रही है? क्या दिव्या खाना नहीं बना रही है? Is sorry, it is the name, so just write, use capital letter. Is Divya is cooking food? Divya is not cooking food. Is Divya cooking food? Is Divya not cooking food? Clear? If I use WH word, clear? दिव्या भोजन बना रही है. दिव्या इज कुकिंग फूड. दिव्या भोजन क्यों बना रही है? दिव्या भोजन क्यों बना रही है? Then why is Divya cooking food? Why is Divya cooking food? दिव्या भोजन क्यों बना रही है? Why is Divya cooking food? Clear? If I say दिव्या भोजन कहाँ बना रही है? Now where is Divya cooking food? Where is Divya cooking food? दिव्या भोजन कहाँ बना रही है? Clear? Dear students, if I say राम हंस रहा है, राम इज लाफिंग. गीता गाना गा रही है. गीता इज सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग. मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूं. आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. एम आई प्लेइंग क्रिकेट? एम आई नॉट प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. मैं लिख रहा हूं. आई एम राइटिंग. मैं क्या लिख रहा हूं? मैं एक पत्र लिख रहा हूं. आई एम राइटिंग अ लेटर. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग अ लेटर. एम आई राइटिंग अ लेटर? एम आई नॉट राइटिंग अ लेटर? Dear students, I am telling you again and again, if you will try regularly, then definitely you will learn how to make the sentences. So, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, I am teaching. मैं नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, I am not teaching. Clear? Tomorrow I will tell you next topic, present perfect tense. Till then, goodbye.